What's up guys, my name is Clay Kinsel. I'm going to show you how to board slide, backside board slide on a box and a mailbox. Firstly, you don't want to do too many turns when you get speed for it. And then you line yourself up and realize it's going to be a ride-on box. So when you're going up to it, all you got to do is start at 50-50
and open that left shoulder and turn
forward slowly and have that shoulder pointed, lean forward, and make sure when you get to the end, you turn back regular. It's a really good way to start learning that slide on the board and on the box, how to get that bounce on the less surface area than the 50-50 with the board slide.
Ride on 50-50, open shoulder, shuffle board, and then pop out regular.
The best way I learned how to board slide is I line my feature up. I know where I'm going to have to come on street side from the right to left, and then I pretend to do it on a flat surface before I even try it. Because when you land your board slide, you want to have your shoulders pointed this way, and then basically you lean forward and you just balance yourself out, and then once you get to the end, your shoulders are already ready to snap back, and your lower body follows. Bam! Lean forward and land on both feet. Stomp the landing. Also, you want to make sure you look ahead of the feature when you're doing your board slides. Don't look down at your feet. Always look ahead of where you're going to know where you're going to land.
Open left shoulder, ollie on, turn board, balance, and get shoulder, hips, and feet ready to swing back to regular. Smash like if you're liking this board slide tutorial video, guys. Mailboxes are great for learning backside board slide street style. If you don't get your body mass centered and over top of the rail at the right angle, you slide right off to the right. Also, if you don't have your weight leaning forward, you're going to fall right on your bum, just like this. Ollie on street style from right to left, turn board, lean forward, have that shoulder pointed down so it's easy to come out regular. Counter rotation is moving your upper body one way and moving your lower body the other way. Watch how I use counter rotation right here to get in and out of this mailbox. You can see how my upper body, my left shoulder is pointing down, facing downhill, and then my lower body is perpendicular with the feature. And this produces an effortless landing. Next is
street style rails. We're stomping the mailbox and we're stomping the box. Get them down consistently, then you move to a small rail.
This is the rail we're going to be focusing on. It's important to absorb the kink when you get to it. Lean back a little bit when you get to the kink.
When you get into your board side, you're sliding like this. The surface area is a lot smaller than a 50-50, so your balance has to be a lot better when you're going sideways and leaning forward.
A lot of times people don't get their weight over top of it and slip off to the right. You have to get your weight over top of the rail from right to left, absorb the kink, pop out the regular. Board sliding and going over top of the rail and coming off the other side gives you the confidence to lock into the whole thing. Another way to get out of a backside board slide is just follow that left shoulder and come out switch.
Alright guys, I hope you liked the trick tips on how to do board slide.
Comment, guys, if you have any questions about board slides or other snowboarding questions. Also subscribe for more snowboarding tutorial videos and click on one of the boxes for more snowboarding videos.